Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were reading the chapter 5 of English Reader, that is, the name of the book is Open Sky and the name of the chapter is Laziness Doesn't Pay. Dear students, we have read this story in detail. Those who did not read, they can watch the video, they can watch the previous video, okay, for better understanding. Dear students, as I have told you to complete the question answer and other exercises of this chapter, chapter number 5 today. So today we will discuss the question answer and other exercises given in the chapter. Dear students, I have told you to complete the word meaning of this chapter. I hope that you all have done. You all have completed the word meaning of this chapter in your notebook. So I will not write the word meaning here. Okay? We will start the question answer today. Just see, open your notebook, students. Today we will discuss the question answer and other exercises given in the chapter. Dear students, it is given here, answer the following question. It is given at the page number 39. Dear students, you also open your book and put out the notebook and pen and start writing. What is the first question? What was the king? Why was the king not pleased with the people? This is the question. Why was the king not pleased with the people? Okay, students. So just write down the question from the book. I will write the answer only here. I will write the answer of the question. You will write the question from your book. Okay. First of all, you write the question from your book. What is the question? First question. It is given. Why was the king not pleased with the people? This is your question. Okay, I will write the answer. This is exercise number first. Yes, this is the exercise number first. Answer the following question. You will write it from the book, and after that you will write the question. Question number A. You will write the question number A. I will write only the answer. Okay, just see. Just write down the question. Why was the king not pleased with his people? And after completing the question, you will write the answer. Write down the answer. The king was not pleased. The king was not pleased with his people, because the people of his kingdom were very lazy. Okay, students, this is the answer of the question number first. What is the answer? The king was not pleased with his people because the people of his kingdom were very lazy. Therefore, he was not pleased with the people of his kingdom. Okay, students, so this is the answer of the question number first. Question number A. Okay, students, you will write the question first from your book. It is given at the page number 39, and after writing the question, you will write this answer. The king was not pleased with his people because the people of his kingdom were very lazy. Okay students, so this is the answer of the question number A. Now write down the question number B. Write the question number B from the book. What is the question number B? It is given here. Why did the king want to teach his people? What did the king want to teach his people? He wanted to teach him a lesson. Okay students, this is the answer. He wanted to teach he wanted to teach them a lesson. First of all, you write the question. What is the question? What did the king want to teach his people? Write down the question from your book. And after writing the question, you will write the answer. Answer number B. What is the answer? The king wanted to teach his people. The king wanted to teach his people what? A lesson. He wanted to teach his people a lesson. Okay students, you write the answer. Here lesson means sabak, seek. Just seek. The king wanted to teach his people a lesson. Okay students, this is the answer of question number B. You write it in your notebook. After writing the question, you will write the answer from the blackboard, from the board. Okay? Just write it. Next question, what is given here? Question number C. Where and why did the king got a pit duck? Where and why did the king got a pit duck? Okay students, write down the question. After writing the answer of question number B, you will write the question number C from your book. Okay students, I am going to erase the first answer and I hope that you all have done the first answer. Just see. Next question. Question number C you write. Question number C. What is the question number C? Where and why did the king got a pit duck? Just write down the answer. The king got a pit duck. Got a pit duck. In the middle of the road. In the middle of the road. In the middle of the road. Okay students, the king thought a plan. The king thought a plan to check if the people of his I'm going to erase the second answer. To check if the people of his kingdom, have overcome laziness. Okay students, this is the answer of the question number C. Just write down. The king got a pit dug in the middle of the road. The king got a pit dug in the middle of the road. The king thought a plan to check if the people of his kingdom had overcome laziness. Okay, this is the answer of question number C. And after completing this answer, you will write the question number 4. Okay students, just see what is the question number 4. The question number 4 is, why was the king ashamed of his people? Why was the king ashamed of his people? Dear students, we all know, we have read in the story that he ashamed on the people because no one was paying attention to remove that big stone from there. Okay? So first of all, you complete this answer, and after that you will write the question number D from your book, and after that you will write the answer on the board. Okay students, I hope that you all have written it. Okay, you may also take the screenshot so that you could write later. Okay students, now I am going to erase it. Just write down the question number D. Just see what is the question. Question number D. Why was the king ashamed of his people? This is the question. Write down the answer. The king was ashamed. The king was ashamed The king was ashamed of his people because the king was ashamed of his people because since morning nobody thought. Since morning, nobody thought to remove the stone. Nobody thought to remove the stone from the middle of the road. From the middle of the road. Okay students, this is the answer of the question number D. The king was ashamed of his people because since morning nobody thought to remove the stones from the middle of the road. Therefore, the king The people of his kingdom were so lazy that nobody thought to remove the stone from the middle of the road. Therefore, the king was very much ashamed on them. Okay, students? So this is the answer of question number D. You write it, you complete it in your notebook. So in this way, we have completed the question answer of this chapter. What we have written already. So now we will discuss the exercises given in the book. Okay? In your copy, in your notebook, you will write only word meaning and question answer of the chapter. And other exercises you will fill in your book only. Okay, students? So just open your book, page number 39. We will discuss first of all the learning words, which is given at the page number 39. At the top of the page, you just see learning words. Fill in the blanks with the putting the correct words from the box. And it is the fill in the blanks, and here helping box is given. Okay, helping box is also given here, and from that box you have to choose the suitable words to fill in the blank. Okay. So I hope that you all have done it, you all have completed it. So now open your book and put out the pencil. Dear students, you will fill the blank with the help of pencil only. No need to write with the help of pen. Okay? You will use only pencil to write in the book. So just see the question. What is the question? Fill in the blanks. This is learning words, students. This is learning words. Learning words. This is your question. Just see. They walk down to the option. There are so many options given. Plain, wait, sure, tonight, night, read, sore, wait. Night. Okay, these are the words that you have to fill in the given blank. Just see in the first blank. What is the first question? Just see. You can see from the book. In your book, they walk down to the ... Walk down to the shore. Shore means edge of sea, edge of river. Okay. Shore. Just write down S-H-O-R-E. You will fill the word shore. S-H-O-R-E. In the first blank, in the question number first, you will fill the word shore. S-H-O-R-E. Okay. Question number B. What is question number B? I am really lucky as I never put on weight. Put on weight. Weight is the suitable word to fill in this blank. So you will fill weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. Okay, in the first blank you will fill the shore. In the another blank you will fill the word weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Okay. Question number C. Just see. Two officers in ... class told me to get out of the car. Class means here plain cloth. You will fill here the word plain. P-L-A-I-N. What would be the suitable sentence here? Two officers in plain clothes. In plain clothes told me to get out of the car. Okay, students? So in the third blank, you will fill the word plain. P-L-A-I-N. Okay? Question number D. What is question number D? Inches. The night. Okay? Inches. A night. Night. You have to fill here night. K-N-I-G-H-T. Here students, here the word K is silent. Okay? You will read it night. Okay? Question number D. In the question number D, you will fill the word night. What would be the suitable sentence? Inches. A night. Inches, a night is a piece which is shaped like the horse head. Okay? inches. So this is the answer of the question number D. Next, question number E. What is question number E? We will read it. He through the pages slowly and carefully. He reads. Okay, option is given here. Read. Okay, sorry, there will be reads. R-E-A-D-S. Okay. In my book it is written read only, but there will be S. Okay, you will fill it. Reads. He reads through the pages slowly and carefully. The suitable word will be read. Okay. In the question number E, you will fill the word read. Next question. Question number next. B. There will be sure. Okay, sure is the suitable option. Be sure. Okay, you will fill the word sure. Be sure, and what will be the suitable sentence? Be sure you get your daily quotas of calcium. Okay, so you will fill here the word sure. E, F, G. Question number G. Just see the question number G. A fighting began in the late afternoon and continued all night. Night is the suitable option to fill. So you will fill the word night in the given line. Okay? H. Question number H. Just see the question number H. We will have to wait. There is only one word that left, so you will fill the word wait. What would be the suitable sentence? We will have to wait. We will have to wait a week or so after the exams to know the result. Okay, students? So in this way we have completed the exercise learning words. It is given at the page number 39. In the first blank you will fill the word so. In the second blank you will fill the word wait. In the question number C, you will fill the word plane. In the question number D, you will fill the word night. In the question number E, you will fill the word reads. In the question number F, you will fill the word sure. In the question number G, you will fill the word night. In the question number H, you will fill the word wait. Okay, students? So in this way, today we have completed the question answer of this chapter as well as the learning words given in the chapter. Okay, students, in the next class we will discuss the true false, filling the blanks and multiple choice question. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.